Referred to as the Old Town of Manila, Quiapo is home to the well-known Quiapo Church, where the feast of the Black Nazarene is held with millions of people attending annually. But Quiapo has more to offer. Outside the church, vendors are selling various items. This lady is selling white jasmine garlands. These flowers are hanged to the religious statues as an offer. Other vendors are welcoming visitors going out from the church and selling religious ornaments. This cart holds a variety of ornaments from statues, rosaries, bracelets, and necklaces. Another cart sells different colors of candles, or they call it wishing candles. Each color has a meaning on what your personal intentions would be, from health, family, peace of mind, fortune, and even your love life. At the facade of the church is Plaza Miranda. Considered as the center of Quiapo, Plaza Miranda is surrounded by several shopping buildings and local vendors. From Hidalgo Street up to Villalobos Street, every street has something to offer. We take the street of Villalobos, wherein every stall offers perishable and non-perishable goods. This stall offers plastic wares from kitchen to bathroom and household. This stall sells bananas. The other stall sells sun-dried fishes and seafoods. The selection is endless. Here at Carlos Palanca Street, the selection continues from costumes, fruits, even hardware items to beauty care items. Until we cross to this shop, Excelente Cooked Ham. If you're looking for the most sought-after ham in Metro Manila, this is the shop. The shop opens at 8 in the morning. This place is busy during Christmas and New Year. Luckily, the place is not crowded when we came. They are famous with their Chinese ham sliced that is mixed with syrup or separate. They also have bone-in ham, deboned ham, pineapple sweet ham, pear-shaped cooked ham, and ham scraps. They even sell Edam cheese, chestnuts, and rice cakes. We purchased the Chinese ham sliced with separate syrup, which costs 650 pesos for half a kilogram. It's time to go and taste this ham at home. Our eyes are dazzled with fresh greens along the way. My wife even purchased 2 bunches of asparagus for a price of 100 pesos. as in Carriedo Street wherein dry goods are on sale. Clothing apparels, bags, and mobile phone accessories, and even pirated DVDs are in every corner. The streets and buildings in Quiapo reflects the history of Manila. Two of them are Isitan and SM Carriedo that still serves every consumers in the area. We'll be taking the light railway transit going home. Then we take a bus. As we reach home, we quickly cook the ham straight to the pan on its own natural oil. We served it by glazing it with its special syrup. Time to eat this well-known ham. In my opinion, it is soft, tender, not too salty, and it is sweet because of the sauce. It may be the best ham out there, but this will only remind me what a typical ham should be. Another famous brand, which is Pure Foods, will still be preferred by my taste buds with its taste and friendly on the budget. Don't take my word from it. You must try this ham first and share your experience in the comments below.